Class 8th, your chapter number 9, Internet Application and Cyber Safety. Today we are going to complete a worksheet 1 to 5 and lab time activity. So student, let's start this topics. Class 8th, in a last class we have studied about the cyber safety in your chapter number 9 accordingly. So cyber safety means safe and responsible, very well, use of internet services to make sure that we do not cause harm to either ourselves or others. So while using the internet, now students, we already studied about the steps to secure yourself on cyberspace. Now we discussed already in this point number first what is actually secure yourself on cyberspace. So before entering our username and password in a website to log on, so always check the URL of the website, and then if it is a fake web page, so it will be showing a different URL. Okay students, now we discussed already next point, never store your password in an email account as these are most often broken into. Okay, then if you think a website is unsafe, so you can check it on the web page by entering the URL safeweb.norton.com in your browser's web page. Now next, keep your broadband connection off when not in use. Close the cover of your laptop when not in use to avoid misuse of its webcam. Okay. Now student, next point we already discussed. Always secure your Wi-Fi modem with passwords. So also avoid getting connected to free internet Wi-Fi access zones that may leak your personal information to anyone. Then we discussed beware of card readers at a store or petrol pumps. Use your debit credit card at trusted places only. So also beware while using them on the internet, use them only at trusted website. Then 7th point, avoid using pen drives with data in computers that you do not trust. If you have to take data there, take formatted pen drives with only the required data in it. So finally, 8th point, finally always install a legally purchased good antivirus on your computer. It will save you from all spywares and other harmful programs. Now student, we already discussed and complete the activity page number 146. So it's a true and false. Now student, today we are going to discuss about the recapitulate in your chapter number 9. So let's discuss the one by one point. So first point is we can find precise definition of a term by suffixing it with defined evaporations. So there are several online dictionary which allow us to know the meaning of difficult words. In this chapter we learned properly different types of websites and different types of websites and different types of sites. We search the online dictionary to the help of the find out the words. Then next student, several news organizations have set up their websites on the internet where live news updates can be instantly viewed. Okay, now next, cloud storage, what is refers to the online storage space, so where a user can store data and access it from anywhere anytime. Okay, now next student, cyber safety includes responsible use of the internet and services available on the internet. So all these points are in your chapter related, so let's recall points. Now next is next terms to learn. So let's discuss the small definition to related in your chapter. So number 1 point is online dictionary. So students, are dictionary available on the internet. Okay, so we can search any find out any type of words. So next is the app. You know very well, a small application made for mobile devices to do a particular task is known as an app. Now next, app store. So an online store from where apps can be downloaded. Okay, so Next, student, cyber safety. So cyber safety, safe and responsible use of the internet and its services. So its role are safe and responsible use of the internet and its services and our websites. Then cloud. So a network of remote server on the internet used to store, manage and process data is known as a cloud. Okay. Now what is exactly cloud storage? Cloud storage stores space available on the internet servers. Okay. Now OneDrive. OneDrive means a Microsoft service so that allow you to store and manage data on the internet. Okay, so it's a OneDrive. So next, student. So next is a let's discuss and complete worksheet number first student, page number 147. So fill in properly in your book. So first is a fill in the blanks with the help of the help box, and all our words help box are already given. So first is a dash is an app that allows you to find all the types of codes including STD code and pin code. So your correct answer is all code finder. Okay. Now next, the indianexpress.com is a dash website, which is a new website. So next, third, the subdcourse.com is an online dash service that allow you to search the meaning of a word in multiple languages. So it's a dictionary. Now next, fourth, the main advantage of storing data on the dash is that we can access it anytime from anywhere, so it's a cloud. Then fifth, Microsoft OneDrive was earlier known as the dash, so it's a sky drive. Okay. Now next is a worksheet number 2, student, take the correct answers. So first question, which website will you visit to know the Hindi meanings of the word range? So it's which website? Shabdakoj.com. Second, which website allow you to find the precise definition of any term? It's a google.com in. Then which of these apps is a popular virtual wallet? Is a Paytm. Then fourth, which of these is a cloud storage service? It's a OneDrive. Okay. Now next, come on a worksheet number 3, true and false. First, apps are small application that helps you to perform a particular task. Yes, it's a correct. Then Viber is an app that allow you to find different types of codes. No, it's a false. Third, Google Drive is a cloud storage services. Yes, true. Then a hacker is a person who makes it possible to use a website safety. No, it's a false. So next, IRCTC app allow you to enroll for courses and conducted by the Indian Railway. No, it's a false statement. Okay, now next, come on a worksheet number 4, answer these questions. So first is the what is subdcourse.com. So student, subdcourse.com is an online dictionary website so that helps us to find the Hindi meanings of an English word. Okay. Now next question, what is cloud storage? So cloud storage is an online storage space where we can store our data and access it and from anywhere, anytime. So next one, what is OneDrive and what was it earlier called? So OneDrive is cloud storage service. Okay. So provided by Microsoft to its users, then it was earlier known as SkyDrive. Okay. Now next question is, how will you find a precise definition of a term on the internet? So your answer is, we can use the website google.com to find a precise definition of a term. So follow these steps, student. First, open the website google.com in the browser window. Then step 2, in the search box, type the word define followed by a colon sign. Okay. So then type the term whose definition you we want to know, like the define transvariance. Then step 3, click on the Google search button. Now the definition of the term will get listed in the search results. Okay, students. Now last question, write any 3 ways to keep yourself safe while working on the internet. So answer is, we should always check the URL of the website before entering our user name and password in that website. So we should never store our password in an email account. Then last, student, we should avoid using pen drive with data in computers that we do not trust. So it's your answer number 5th, student. So complete it properly, question answer in your notebook. Okay. Now student, come on next lab time activity. So practice practical number first, student. Let's discuss using webcopedia.com to retrieve information. So first of all, student, open the website http www.webopedia.com in your web browser. Then in the search box enter the term whose definition and short description you want to search for. Okay, then click on the go button. So the definition of the search term along with the short description will appear in a new window. Okay, now fourth, now search for the information on the following topics using the same procedure: internet, hypertext, internet, telephony, computer networks, Bluetooth, GSM, streaming and Wi-Fi. Okay, so practice at your home practical number first in on your computer. Okay, so practical number first practice, students. Okay, now second practical number two, having fun on the internet. So open the website www.photophonia.com in your web browser. Then the website will open displaying a number of special effects that you can apply to your photographs. So select any one of these effects by clicking on it. So a new web page will open to allow you to select a photograph from your computer on which you want to apply the selected effect. Then student enter the path of your photograph file in the text box. If you do not know the path exactly, click on the browser button and select the photograph. So file from choose file dialog box. So student, you can see the selected effect will get applied to your photograph. Then click here to save this effect on to your hard disk. Then try applying any file effects to your photograph from this side and save them onto your computer. So you can see up to a website to a related of internet, www.photophonia.com. Okay, so selected effects. Okay, then after you can see a effect get applied in the image. So just try it, practical number first and practical number 2. Okay, at your home. Okay, students. Class 8, your today's homework is your chapter number 9. So let's recall terms to learn points. Just read out class, okay, and complete the worksheet number 1 to 5 and PDF will be uploaded here. Okay, students.